The fear of death follows from the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Courage is resistance to fear, mastery of fear, not absence of fear. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. The difference between the right word and the almost right word is the difference between lightning and a lightning bug. Substitute damn every time you're inclined to write very. Your editor will delete it and the writing will be just as it should be. The man who does not read has no advantage over the man who cannot read. Write without pay until somebody offers pay. If nobody offers within 3 years, the candidate may look upon this circumstance with the most implicit confidence as the sign that sowing wood is what he was intended for. A classic is a book which people praise and don't read. Against the assault of laughter nothing can stand. Humor is mankind's greatest blessing. The human race has one really effective weapon, and that is laughter. Man is the only animal that blushes or needs to. The secret source of humor is not joy but sorrow. There is no humor in heaven. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Continuous improvement is better than delayed perfection. Don't let schooling interfere with your education. The lack of money is the root of all evil. Good friends, good books, and a sleepy conscience. This is the ideal life. Travel is fatal to prejudice, bigotry, and narrow-mindedness. Explore, dream, discover. To get the full value of joy, you must have someone to divide it with. Broad, wholesome, charitable views of men and things cannot be acquired by vegetating in one little corner of the earth all one's lifetime. 20 years from now you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the ones you did do. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to reform. Politicians and diapers must be changed often and for the same reason. In the first place, God made idiots. That was for practice. Then he made school boards. The more I learn about people, the more I like my dog. The reports of my death are greatly exaggerated. It's not what you don't know that gets you into trouble. It's what you know for sure that just ain't so. Never argue with stupid people. They will drag you down to their level and then beat you with experience. Anger is an acid that can do more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than to anything on which it is poured. All you need in this life is ignorance and confidence, and then success is sure. The more things are forbidden, the more popular they become. The trouble with the world is not that people know too little, but that they know so many things that ain't so. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect.